Hi everyone, I'm here today to do a quick tutorial on how to access our online Zoom classes. You will want to start by going to the website that was emailed out to you. This will bring you to our online virtual learning studio. The first thing you will see over here on the right hand side are links to our social media pages. If you haven't already, be sure to follow these pages as we will be posting some fun videos and hosting live classes that you won't want to miss out on. We have also just started our very own TikTok, which can be found at Team Fusion 5678. And anyone who follows us and mentions us in their TikToks will be entered into a chance to take over our TikTok, so they will be in charge of all our posts for that day. So that's just another fun little thing we are doing for the kids. So when you are ready to log on to your class, you will scroll down and you will see a listing of all our classes. You will click on the link right below your class, and that will bring you to the Zoom website. From there, if you are logging on from a computer, it will prompt you to open Zoom. If you are logging on from a phone, you will definitely have to download the Zoom app before you can join the class if you haven't already. So once you pressed open Zoom, it will redirect you to the Zoom meeting, which should be popping up any moment. So once it pops up, it will show you a video preview. This right here, you will usually see a preview of your webcam screen. You are going to want to press join with video right here. For today, I'm going to join without the video. And then this is the Zoom classroom. It will bring you a prompt to choose your audio. So you will want to press join with computer audio. And then you will be joined with your microphone on so the other participants can hear you. Over here in the bottom corner, you have the prompts to mute yourself or to start or stop your video. And here we'll show any other participants that are in. If you click up, it'll open up to the side. Really, the only things that you want to be aware of is this mute, unmute at the bottom. Your teacher may mute you at some point so that when they are playing music, it is easier for everyone to hear. So they do have the control on their end to do that. When the class is over, you will press leave meeting and then you will leave your meeting. If you have another class to log into, you will want to go back to our virtual learning site and you will find your next class, click, and follow the same process to get into that class. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to us. We are here to help, and we will get through this together. Thank you.